Hey JB, this is George over at Tameron Honda in Hoover. Following up on your online inquiry on the Honda Fit. Before I get into that, I want to tell you a few things at the dealership we're doing to stay safe and take the precautions that we're taking here. Every night we have a professional cleaning crew that's disinfecting the facility. We do the same thing the first thing when we get here in the morning. Also, we are disinfecting the vehicles in between test drives, and we're also offering at-home test drives, trade appraisals, and deliveries to limit your time here in the dealership if that's something that you would like. Also, right now, Honda has a relief program. They're offering no payments until almost August, so about the third week of July currently. And we have some additional incentives and discounts going on that I'd love to go over with you once we find the perfect vehicle for you. All right, so moving on to this Honda Fit. This is the LX Fit. So this is going to be your nice 36 miles to the gallon, plenty of storage space. If you come inside the vehicle here, you'll notice you got an Econ mode, a sport gear, steering wheel mounted controls, hands-free Bluetooth, backup camera. There's a ton going on in this vehicle at a great price point, and I can't wait to tell you more about it. As you look here in the back, you'll see that you got a lot of space and different seating options. So one of the really cool things about the Honda Fit is that both sides can either lay down all the way flat, or you can raise up the seat here. And it comes down as simple as the pull of a handle, and it folds right down here. And again, this seat also lays flat, giving you optimal space in this vehicle. My mother-in-law's best friend drives one of these, and she actually was able to fit a washer and a dryer in the back of her Honda Fit. Reach out to me at 808-600-7191. I'd love to provide you any information that you need and set up a VIP appointment for you. Again, my name is George here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. And one thing I can promise you, when you come see me, JB, you're gonna love the way you're treated.